Hakaway nagajing persyang bantel lakam ki kali ki Pynkhein ki Kyndon an ki Pulit kari boy district men hakas ni baar jong katayo ki lapenlong ya gajing talasi bakensan ki kali hakaleng Nongpoh kamtam ki kali pick up ki bakit seat namarbon na kini ki kali lalap baki Pynkhein ya ke Kyndon an kitmar kan gajing talasi dalam khamat da Nongpoh traffic branch ketemu bantel lakam kamtam ya ka yat kayeng jong ki kali ki bakit seat ki babu jingkhia ba jingmai ki wepat ki kali ki bayat lang hasurok Nalor kini ki kali la talasi ru ya ki wepat ki kali ki banyak hakapuar bala buat ki bam pendon kam ya ki jing dakhli bat ki bam buram ya ki Kyndon an na ka benta ka jing shingan ha ki surok wala ka Nongpoh traffic branch kala lekat bala ban pensapriang jing tip hindai ki nong nya kali ki yai Pynkhein ya kini ki Kyndon na ka puar sakapuar
Today we are here for conducting drunk and driving. Most of the time we are seeing that there are lots of accidents because of this drunk and driving. Not only drunk and driving, we are checking these helmets, then we are checking the seat belts, then bike riders, then these pillion riders. Daily we are checking and we have given so much awareness on the road. But still so many people they don't feel good to wear helmet, so we are conducting these checkings. Now today evening also we have started this drunk and driving because we have seen that in Nongpoh most of the drivers in this highway they are drinking and driving, so we are checking this drunk and driving for the safety of the citizen, not only for them, for everybody.
Ngi penlong ka checking ya kini ki kali ni penlong ka traffic branch ban checking ya ki kali ki bakit put ki khamtam kini ki bakit seat ya gitu ki bolero ki pick up gitu ki bakit ya ki seat ki batam chadin ba sakmat kata kabuk gajing ma ya ki we ki kali ki babut chadin khamtam kapur men min but ni check ro ya ki driver ki ba di bu ai hambun sin nala mit ki driver ki ba di bu ai into te kabu jing ma ya ki wei ki kali ki ba yai hakini ki highway te kumta minta si ni penlong kene ka checking te kat to kat ne ki driver ki don ki ba ni lap ba ki ba dikiat but mrei tang kini ki ba kit sit handrai ki tu ki turis baro hingi checking da kasi kat bangilap te don ki ba di kiat ha ka por ba ki nya kali